Good morning, my dear boys of class 11th. Today's second topic is physical inactivity. Now, what is physical inactivity? Physical inactivity is the life without activity. Passing the days of life idly with lethargy without any proper activity is known as life without activity, physical inactivity. Physical inactivity is the absence, in other words, physical activity is the absence. Physical activity is the absence of physical activity is the absence of activity in our daily schedule of life. Physical inactivity is highly harmful, detrimental for health, for the health of everybody. It leads to many serious health problems like obesity, overweight, high level of blood sugar, high level of blood pressure, hypertension, many psychological and physical complications, etc. So, activity is highly urgent, it is highly necessary in our day to day life, it must be there. And we must use our leisure time, we must use our leisure time in physical activity. Now, what are the effects of फिजिकल इनएक्टिविटी? फिजिकल इनएक्टिविटी का इफेक्ट क्या होता है? ड्यू टू फिजिकल इनएक्टिविटी इंक्रीज्ड एब्डोमिनल फैट, जिसको हिंदी में तोंद निकल जाना, इंक्रीज्ड एब्डोमिनल फैट इज सेन which makes a man which makes an individual very slow, number 1. Number 2, it leads to obesity, overweight, and obesity is the root cause of many serious ailments, diseases, many serious ailments, diseases, obesity. Number 3, physical inactivity leads, it increases the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure. Physical inactivity leads to hypertension, irritation, frustration, depression, tension, all these psychological complications. And physical inactivity, lastly, it reduces the longevity, the tenure of life, the time span of life. This is physical inactivity. To avoid all these things, we must engage ourselves in physical activity. In our leisure time, we have to take out some time for physical activity, irrespective of gender, irrespective of age. We have to engage ourselves in physical activity. So this is physical inactivity. Physical inactivity is highly detrimental, highly harmful. It leads to serious health threats to each and every individual. We all must engage ourselves in physical activity. So I have completed 2 topics today. Yesterday I finished it in Zoom, but there was some disturbance, network problems also. Again, whatever I will be teaching you in Zoom, I will be giving you in my video lecture. Listen it very minutely. So this is physical inactivity. Thank you very much.